Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURSYAZWANI binti SARIPUDIN and my matric number 120739. Today I will present the topic about takaful in practice, challenge in ensuring Sharia compliance and consumer protection. First, a study on Sharia issue of tabarruk and underwriting in takaful. First, tabarruk in takaful. The client will make a commitment to pay contribution periodically, similar to the concept of infaq or charity. Second, tabarruk in maqasid Sharia. Takaful is considered a social solution that benefits society. Third, surplus underwriting in tabarruk. The surplus in the fund can be divided between participant and TO. Fourth, alternative takaful model. The Waqf model, some scholars suggest the Waqf model is as the basis of tabarruk contract to solve the issue of the fund ownership and underwriting surplus. Fifth, solution and further study. The study has benefits and risks both of technical and Sharia aspect needed to ensure the implementation of takaful that is appropriate and does not violate Sharia principle in the future. For Article 2, embracing Sharia goals and sustainable development goals in takaful legal framework. The main goals of maqasid Sharia is preserving religion, preserving life, preserving reason, preserving offspring, preserving property. This principle form the basis of forming of Islamic financial law, including the takaful system, which aims to provide financial protection to Muslims without involving elements prohibited such as riba, gharar, and maisir. Okay, next. Contemporary issues and challenges faced by takaful industry in Malaysia. First, Sharia compliant in hibah, gift. Issues arise when takaful benefits can be considered hibah or need to be distributed according to faraid law. The provision of hibah must be fair, especially when involving heirs. The solution is must educate the participant so they will understanding of the differences between hibah and wasiat. Second, Sharia issue on the nomination. When the nominee benefits that may not comply with Islamic inheritance law. For example, a nominee who is not legal heirs can receive more than 1/3 of the estate, which is contrary to faraid law. So the solution is the solution of the Sharia issue on the nomination first must be compliant with Islamic inheritance law. Fourth, surplus distribution. When there is a balance in the participant fund after the claim are settled, the question is whether this surplus can be shared with the takaful operator as an incentive. So the solution is transparent policy. Takaful operator need to have a clear surplus distribution policy and comply with decision of the Sharia body. Next, Sharia issue disclosure practice. There is a lack of information disclosure in how funds are managed, how surplus is distributed, and the extent to which investment comply with Sharia. So the solution is must full disclosure. Operators need to openly disclose information about product, investment, and fund management. And last, the Sharia issue of the takaful reinsurance. The lack of Sharia compliant takaful company force operators to use the service of conventional insurance companies which do not comply with Sharia principle. So this may involve the element of riba and gharar. So the solution is must developing takaful companies so to encourage investment and development of more Sharia compliant takaful companies. For the next article is application of umrah and rukbah in the disbursement of family takaful benefit. For conditional hibah as an alternative, given the challenges encountered in traditional mode of disbursement, conditional hibah, particularly in the form of umrah and rukbah, could provide a more effective alternative in the context of disbursing takaful benefit. Next, umrah in takaful benefit disbursement. The recipient will will receive the takaful benefit during their lifetime. However, provision could be arranged for the asset to be returned to the donor or to be managed in a way that honor the arrangement made by the donor. Okay, next, rukbah as a mechanism. Rukbah can facilitate a more straightforward approach to the transfer of the takaful benefit directly upon the occurrence of the donor or beneficiary demise. Okay, implication for risk management. The integration of conditional hibah concept into family takaful align with the risk management as it emphasizes immediate provision of financial assistance when needed most during the untimely death of a key financial supporter. Okay, second article about takaful and alternative approach to insurance. First, the key principle of takaful. Mutual assistance tabarruk. Participants donate a portion of their contribution to help others in need. Second, share risk. Mudharabah. Mudharabah, collective pooling of funds, facilitate the sharing of risk among participants. Third, prohibition of interest riba. Takaful avoid interest as stipulated Islamic teachings. Okay. Fourth, no uncertainty gharar. Clarity in contracts is emphasized, avoiding uncertainties that may lead to dispute among participants. Fifth, avoidance of speculation, maisir. Takaful prohibits speculative transaction, ensuring the focus remains on mutual support rather than profit maximization. Okay, for the next article, issues in takaful. First, the lack of awareness and understanding of takaful among the public. Majority of the respondents had limited knowledge of takaful product and services. Second, lack of standardization and harmonization of Sharia compliance and regulatory requirements in the takaful industry. Third, transparency and accountability in the takaful industry in Malaysia. There is need for more disclosure and transparency on the financial performance and operation of takaful operators. Okay, next, issue in profit and underwriting, surplus sharing, provision of benevolent loans. Okay, issues in profit and underwriting, surplus sharing, provision of benevolent loans or qard hasan, where shareholders are responsible for providing loans to participants. However, the terms and conditions of qard hasan are often unclear and uncertain in terms of repayment and drawdown timing. Maintaining fairness in different generations of participants can be challenging. A senior participant may be affected by paying higher contribution or receiving smaller underwriting surplus due to the need to make qard hasan repayment. Okay, for recommendation for this article, when participants choose takaful operator as their agent in managing their finance and operation, wakalah is acceptable since it offers set return to takaful operator. And the hybrid model is the most suitable contract for the Malaysian takaful market. For Article 2, charity or business entity. Takaful can be a business or charity since takaful is based on the concept of mutual assistance and contribution. Based on the semi-structured interview, they found that takaful can be alternative to insurance and can be a business entity, not charity. Risk. The takaful operator are facing risks such as credit risk, liquidity risk. So they suggest that the risk management strategies should be able to protect the takaful fund, to have enough fund to pay them for the claims, to maximize the investment return, to stand and create the backup plan for the possible liquidity problem and sustain the business. Okay, next, performance. They find that the conventional insurers perform better than takaful companies in terms of profitability and risk measurement, but takaful outperform conventional insurance when the ratio of premium to supplies is used. Okay, for the operational challenges, first, it is high cost. When high commission paid to agents may lead to increased premium for participants. Second, investment limit, restrict from investing in non-compliant sectors such as alcohol and gambling. So it will limit their investment opportunities and may affect profitability. So the role of a fintech in takaful. First, potential benefits. The integration of fintech, particularly in big data analytics and robo-advisory service to enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs, improve customer experience. So the benefits of robo-advisors can be automated financial advice, more accessible and cost-effective for client. Second, objectivity and efficiency, reducing the possibility of human error and increasing decision making efficiency. Okay, for big data analytics applications, so it can be utilized in various areas including marketing, claim management, customer insight, decision making. Okay, next for the article in consumer protection takaful, we will discover the main challenge. First, information asymmetry. Customer frequently don't get all the complete or clear information regarding the product they buy, resulting in the poor decision making. Okay, second, product quality. The quality of takaful product become more challenging because they are highly complex and possess targeted features not clearly visible. So consumer might not be in position to understand what different product structures such as profit sharing or risk sharing means. Third, pricing issues. Consumer price regulation in such diverse market with varied product offering would pose problem if could not possible to ensure that the price is tagged along with the actual worth and the risk of each product. Okay, next, distribution practice. Selling takaful product through intermediaries might actually have its own share of disadvantages, such as conflict of interest when a sales agent will keep the interest of consumer outside his or her getting commission for selling the product. Okay, and last, promotion and advertisement may be hampered for making sound judgment and subsequently cause their dissatisfaction and mistrust the whole takaful system due to misleading advertisement. It should be require more clear and honest promotional material that would present the product realistically. Okay, so the suggested improvement. First, strengthening disclosure requirement. Must increase the current disclosure requirement to enhance transparency and ensure buyers to obtain all the facts necessary to make an informed decision. Second, encourage using of technology can facilitate better consumer education and engagement. Third, developing standard practices for product oversight and conformance testing can help ensure a certain consistency and fairness across the enterprise. So the conclusion is effective consumer protection is important for building trust and confidence in takaful sector.